Nobody on the beach today. One guy out there swimming. Going to be the hottest, muggiest day of the year. Nobody's out here. Remember the rock builder? Somebody else got involved. A megalith. Yeah. I see you. Rock art. Charlie would approve. A downy woodpecker. I've been trying to get this guy all morning, but other birds keep chasing him off. Well, bigger birds. I like the downies, eh? They'll let you get close. Yeah, I like woodpeckers. Hate squirrels. I'm at war with the squirrels now. They've been digging up my goddamn flowers. In the front, too. Assholes. Goddamn squirrels. I had 4 plants in that planter there. They dug out 3 of them. There's one of them down there. That's the latest one. I don't know. There's nothing for them to eat on the bottom. No nut. I don't understand why they do that. Maybe they do chew on the roots. I don't know. But I gotta tell you, this means war.